Us. Welcome back, everyone. And today, I think we need to do a little bit of coaching. We need to go over the tools you use every day, and let me talk about these two ideas I have. There are two technical tools I truly believe you never want to underestimate, and you have to use. This is Coach JR from the Profit Flow Group, and let's jump into today's video. Now, I'm going to do this over stock that everyone knows, Tesla. Everyone is chasing it. Pretty similar to GameStop and AMC. On the next video, we'll talk a little bit more about AMC, okay? So today, let's take a look at Tesla. So there's this new, I think Elon just got a new funding for the Gigafactory in Berlin. It was last night, I think. No, that was back in June 22. Talking about 7 billion. That's B with $1 billion for the German Gigafactory. I think that actually happened last night. Okay, and that's what it is. The site electrack.co basically could get over 1 billion in government funding. Electrack. Let's see if we can read a little bit more about it. And that's great. They're talking about 2,000 jobs, at least 2,000 jobs in Germany, thanks to Elon Musk. These are the plans. And let's see. Now, Germany's Tagesspiegel newspaper reports that Tesla could be the biggest beneficiary of the new program. Is that beneficiary or beneficiary of the new program, and secure as much as 1.14 billion euros. That's $1.35 billion. According to the report, that came up with the amount due to the number of jobs that Tesla plans to create at the factory, which could add up to 2,000. There you go. He's a job creator, and because of the opportunity, just the plan, maybe it's more, maybe it's a little bit less, but the government support will be there. Do I think Tesla is worth $550? Of course not. Of course. Do I think Tesla should be at $733? No, I don't think so. So from here, where do we go? What may happen over there? Let me take the brush so I may guide you. There, what is going to happen? How do you set up a map that has some little bit of sense, and you can start trading? If you're an investor, if you're buying shares, how you start trading that? If you're options traders like I am, how do you find the best target? That's what we want to do. So first off, we're going to start with one of the technical tools everyone, every investor, every trader has to use. It's very simple. Fibonacci Retracement. You can start laughing if you want, but that's just the way it is. From the low from the COVID crisis, all the way to the top that we know that we have on the chart. What do we know? We know that Tesla came all the way and found support after this massive rally at the 38.2%. That's 1, 2, 3, a full range. You can count these two. That's February, March, April, all the way. But the fact is, every time it was pushed lower to 535, someone is telling you, yeah, that's you, that they don't want Tesla at $500. That's a bargain. That's a crime. And they bought it, and it came all the way up. Now, it will close this area at $900. I'm telling you this now today, September 6th. It will happen. Tesla will trade back at 900. It's just a matter of time. It's not if, it's just when it's going to happen. All right? And that should be by the end of this year. After that is when the real party started. The way you have to do this, just go to price range. Look at this. Price range, measure the area. You measure this and you have $830. Okay? I think that's a solid 83 points. And from that, you take 83 points from the level where the price stopped falling and push that lower, move it up, and you have 830 right there. $1,410. That's conservative. That's conservative. That's only Fibonacci projection. This should be your base case. Not even the bull case, just the base case for Tesla. This will take us to $1,400. So if you buy today, you do have on the table the probability. If I look for a long position case, I will be looking at Tesla in investment. Let me just delete this one, delete the next one, this one too. There you go. And from this point, you're looking at a 94% return. I will do that at least with a 20, it could be 27%. I will put my stop loss at 532 if you want to be more conservative with your risk. The best I can see doing now, not 16, I will do 20, 17 to 20% risk. That gives you a risk reward ratio of $1 that you risk to take home $5.28. How about that? So yes, Fibonacci, a day-to-day tool that every investor and trader must master. It's a must. That's not an option. There's only one way, one path, the path to success. That's what it is. Tesla will trade at $1,400. So your chance to make the money is now, all right? That's one tool. Now let me talk to you about price rotation. And you're going to go and, this word is going to blow your mind. How high? How high? What should be the bull case? Like Catherine Wood and the bull case she has on Tesla. Well, I'm just going to quickly show you what is the whole thing with price rotation. You can talk about this about a channel, but price rotation is something I designed to guide me in the unknown territory, because Tesla hasn't been hit this yet with this price range, okay? It was there before. Now, what I wanted to see is, and think about that by the time it gets to this level, $1,400 per share, what will be the market cap? That's huge. So in price rotation, what I want to do is just take a trend line and define my highest high. This is what it is. And then we can talk about the lowest low. So this time won't use the low from March 2020. I'm going to the low back on June 2019. So I can just set the range and have it like this. So you define the area you're working with. Once we have that, it's a little bit, I failed. Sorry about that, guys. I failed the drawing class back in school. I'm just going to take us at the same time, take now the price range and measure what you have. Now, this is the very important thing. What you need to understand is the price action is measured in a figure. A figure is the dollar amount, the points. But also the price action is measured by the expansion, the percentage expansion. Don't see it as the return, see it as the expansion that the stock needed to do to get to this level. That was a 200% expansion. So we're going to take two views on Tesla. First, based on price rotation, that will be a conservative view, which is just only in points on figure. That figure will take us to about $1,700. That's my conservative take. That means from this point, okay, you have an opportunity as an investor. You can take, again, you can do 23% risk, and then your risk reward to the up will be 5.96, a little bit over 142%. That's just conservative. Remember, we're walking to the unknown. I'm not telling you this will happen. I'm telling you this is a guide, something that you're using. This is your guide to trade and look for the north in the unknown price. This is a price discovery, but just to say price discovery doesn't mean anything. You need to have a path. You need to know exactly what you're going to do up here, and that's what price rotation does for every one of us. Now let's go with the bull case. This is the Catherine Wood moment. You want to go Catherine Wood? Well, she has all the fundamentals, so you can always goes to ARK, invest, read their white paper, go over that information. It's beautiful, it's well designed, it's professional. She knows what she's doing. You want to bet against her like Michael Burry? Good luck. I wish you the best, especially because this is the beginning of a bull market, all right? They just opened a Gigafactory. They're going to start that. They're taking jobs, man. He's doing great. So you want to go short that? Be my guest. Now let's continue and end this video so you have a good day and a good week of trading and investments. The whole thing is 2,200%. So I'm just going to project all the way up. Okay. And all the way up, that means she has, I think it's a 3,000. So look at this. By just an expansion of 234%, Tesla can easily be a $3,000 stock. Now, this is not just perfect. I'm just taking 10%. 10% of the previous percentage. That's all you need. Just a 10% of that expansion will take us to 2,000. Well, that's, 2,800. But remember, markets love round figure, and that will take us to at least $3,000. That's a really bull case. Do I think that's going to happen tomorrow morning? I don't think so. Mathematically speaking, it cannot happen tomorrow morning. This particular scenario will take you to a 300% return on your money. I will definitely sit with a 30% risk, and that will take me to, listen, with Tesla today, a risk reward ratio for every dollar you risk, you're taking home $9.90. That would be a 300%. So if you invest $100,000, you're looking for a potential bull case scenario. Let me write it down. Just want to say bull case. Okay? Bull case, mathematically speaking, based on price. All right? Price, rotation. Okay? The energy has to rotate. More capital will come. Do you think the German government is not going to invest in Tesla? Of course it will. Of course it will, because look at what they're doing. He's going to create jobs for them. They need jobs too. Oh yeah, Americans, they need jobs. People in Mexico, they need jobs. Chinese, they need jobs. Russian, they need jobs. Hey, you know what? Who else wants jobs? Germans, they need jobs. 2,000 jobs. Do you think Germany won't invest in Tesla as well? They will. More companies in Europe will invest because now they have the German support. Elon Musk now will be backed by the German government. This is the way Tesla gets there. This is the way Tesla shines again, besides actually providing energy to Texas. Please, that's great. So that is what's going to happen. So right there, you have a bull case based on price rotation. You may not believe it now, but these are the tools that every day, you as an investor and trader, you must master. Trend Fibonacci. Price rotation will help you to come up with these conclusions. And after that, there's no sky and there's no limit. The galaxy will be yours. There's a description in this video if you want to get to know my story, who I am, what I do, how I came up with all these ideas, and how I help traders and investors around the world, not only in America to live the American dream, but everywhere to live that dream. To live that dream thanks to the U.S. stock and the U.S. option market, then you ought to click on that link, watch the broadcast. Hey, it's free. It's free. Just invest some of your time and watch the whole thing so you can also do the same and guide yourself and position yourself in great trading and investing opportunities. Until my next video. Us!